In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Zoom invite link to your Google Calendar. Let's dive right in and make this integration as seamless as possible. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. You can find it easily using any search engine or simply enter the URL in the address bar. If you're not already signed in, look for the Sign In button and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your Google account credentials. Carefully type in your email address and password to proceed. If you're having trouble remembering your password, you can use the Forgot Password option. Once your details are entered, press Next or hit Enter on your keyboard to continue. Now that you are signed into Google Calendar, look towards the right side panel of the screen. You should see a plus button, often used for add-ons, sported alongside several other icons. Click on this plus button. In the search bar that appears, type Zoom and hit enter. You will see an option for Zoom. Click on it. Now you should see an install button. Click on it to start the installation process. A pop-up will appear with a continue button. Click that to proceed. Next, Google will ask you to choose an account. Make sure you're still using the same account you originally signed in with to keep everything streamlined. Once you've picked your account, click on Continue. Google may prompt you for permission to allow the use of this add-on, so make sure you read through the permissions and click Allow if you agree with them. You're almost there. After the installation process completes, click on Done. Now that the Zoom add-on is installed, you should see a Zoom icon on that same right side panel. Click on the Zoom icon and it will prompt you to sign in. Enter your Zoom account email and password and then proceed to click Sign In. The final step here is to authorize Google Calendar to use your Zoom account, which will sync both platforms. To do this, click Allow when prompted. Now, you're ready to create an event in Google Calendar. Click on the Create button or the big plus sign on the left side of your calendar. Choose Event in the drop-down menu and start by entering your event details such as the title, date, and time. Then, to further tailor the event, click on More Options. Here, you'll see an option for Add Meeting on the right panel under the Zoom section. Click on it to generate a Zoom link for your meeting. Once that's set up, the last thing you'll need to do is click Save. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Zoom with your Google Calendar. Now, you're ready to schedule meetings effortlessly with all the details your attendees will need right there in one place. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.